जी जी।
But अगर वहाँ पे मतलब how can we tackle this? Because they will. This is also a thing that Pakistan can come there. Inside the Kashmir also, there can be actually terrorists who enter because they enter through many ways. So जब वो local public को convince करते हैं कि वहाँ पे तो पाकिस्तानी आ रहे हैं, हम तो उनको देखने जा रहे हैं, तो you know there is something that they
No,
can
this is again which is a scare which is produced. If you really want peace in South Asia, there is no substitute to talking to Pakistan and bringing on the table to resolve issues. Because they are party to the dispute, I may like them that will be throwing them away, but I know no solution can be durable, viable, unless all the parties are on the table. But what the government of India is doing, on the pretext, is bahane se, on the pretext that we are fighting Pakistan, they are killing us. Because as some very good journalists said that if they are really fighting Pakistan, they should be on the borders, not in the civilian space. The entire civilian space, the choicest resorts in Kashmir, the choicest place in Kashmir have been taken over by army, and we have no access unto those. Therefore, these are big questions. The only response is that you, as responsible youth of this country, have to rise and compel your country to have peace with your neighbors. Resolve Kashmir, let us have peace with Pakistan, because all this money which is otherwise used for arms build-up, from nuclearization. See even today's budget, did you see how much money is reserved for defense? Do you remember? Do you see how your country is acting? Do you know? The largest amount is reserved for defense. And what for defense? To fight Pakistan. Why not to have peace with Pakistan and use all this money for those 50% population who have no basic amenities of life, who still defecate in the open, who still don't have 2 times meals, who don't have shelter? Therefore, you are basically, these governments both in India and Pakistan are violating the rights of the marginalized. The 50% population who are living below poverty line, they are actually denying them their rights. It's a huge chain. It's a nexus.
You are saying that they should talk to Pakistan.
I'm not saying exclusive. I said they should talk about the Kashmir issue to Pakistan, bring Kashmiris on table, and then resolve Kashmir issue. Then make all efforts to have peace in the region. And people of both India and Pakistan, whereas in spite of the fact there are some Pakistanis, but majority of Pakistanis want peace with India. Whereas you don't have such voices rising here in huge numbers. There are many people who want friendship with Pakistan, good neighborly, because they know what are the costs of hostility. They have to come out of this frozen embrace of the past history in which they are actually done. They have to come out of it. हम नहीं करते हैं supposing, see the journey of your own individual life. आप एक माहौल में रहते हैं, पहले गांव में वहाँ पर बहुत दबाव होता है, आप ये नहीं कर सकते हो, वो नहीं कर सकते हो, वो फिर आपकी नज़र खुलती है, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आप उस माहौल से निकलते हैं, फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उन फोर्सेस के साथ लड़ के बाहर निकल जाते हैं, then you try to progress ahead. This is how the state should do. You should take an individual struggle from a very, from that situation where the person is living in a cocoon. How he comes out of that cocoon, progresses and makes contact with the world. In the same way, these countries, and it is you people who can compel the governments to change. They will never change on their own because they have vested interests in hostility. They get lots of money by buying these weapons. Lots of money they made. Whether it is वो राजीव गांधी के ज़माने में कौन सा वो स्कैंडल थे गोपर्स, इसी तरह ये गोपर्स रोज होते हैं यहाँ. जब वो था क्या उसका नाम था जॉर्ज फर्नांडिस, उसके ज़माने में कफन चोरी, वो जो उनको क्या कहते हैं, वो ताबूत को क्या कहते हैं, कॉफिन, कॉफिन जी, वो करप्शन नहीं हुआ था जब कारगिल में हुआ. Crores of money were eaten for the buying and selling of those coffins. ये कभी-कभी लीक होता है. आप देखिए कश्मीर में Army has a vested interest. They have cleared our jungles. हमारे जंगल लूट लिए हैं. हमारा जो वॉलनट का काम है वो सारा उन्होंने वहां से चोरी से ले लिया, इंपोर्ट किया अपने अपने घरों को. They have a vested interest to continue this death and destruction in Kashmir because it serves their interests. But no Indian is accept because you are still living in the medieval world where you say king can do no wrong. I mean, in spite of the fact you are living in a democratic setup where you should always be questioning governments. You should always be demanding your rights. You should always be giving right direction to their decisions and policies. But you are not doing that. And times are coming when you yourself will be denied your rights. I am telling you. Terrible times are coming ahead unless you rise in one voice and fight for your rights. Yes?
My question is, you talked about in your discussion about the golden past and civilization of Kashmir. But Kashmiri being a constitutional language, it was not introduced in the schools of Jammu and Kashmir till 2003. It was a deliberate attempt of the state of Kashmir
Yes.
to
Because
Urduize the Kashmir and make the whole demography, and in that context the kind of carelessness you showed regarding Kashmiri Pandit exodus, there were instances of genocides. And second,
No, that is not wrong.
no ma'am, because it's
No, genocide is a horrible word. You know, you can't say few
still they are living in the state as refugees. Still they are living in a country, in their country as refugees. This is the horrible state of Kashmiri Pandit. Second point you talked about several truths, but truths were partial. They were not comprehensive. Which
truth was not comprehensive?
That was referendum point. There was referendum, but it was conditional also that Pakistan will withdraw its troops from Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Then only India will withdraw and then
This is the manner to
सुनिए हमने किसी को कोई अटैक नहीं किया. हम कहते
No,
हैं
no, ma'am.
सवाल पूछ रहे हैं.
भैया बैठो ना. भाई सिर्फ तो भैया मुझे आगे का क्वेश्चन पूछा.
ठीक है पूछिए आराम
In 1995, if I'm not wrong, there was a United Human Rights Commission. There was a charge against the Indian Army that they are committing atrocity. And for the masses, I know most of the people are not aware that in Kashmir, AFSPA was imposed post Kashmiri Pandit exodus, not prior to that. And second point, ma'am, that in United Human Rights Commission, when Pakistan brought a case against Indian Army that Indian Army is committing atrocity, at that point of time, Iran was backing Pakistan claim, but Iran backed out eventually because there was a point that there was a two-nation theory on which partition took place. And it was a two-nation theory, and on the basis of that, if you are claiming that because Kashmir is Muslim dominated, it should come to us. So in that way, you will have to take 20 crores Muslims who are residing in India also. So it's, you cannot make truncated claims or hyphenated claims. You will have to give a very comprehensive picture. I'm not of the opinion that they should take. In India, we have made Brigadier Usman Akka Mausera Kaisar, who sacrificed his life, and his memorial is still in the Jamia Millia Islamia. He was offered the post of general in Pakistan by Jinnah, but he refused and said that India is my world, India is my motherland, I have died, I live for this country. So I have no apathy, but the kind of apathy you show to the Kashmiri problem, that Kashmiri, Ladakhi, Jammu, no ma'am, it's not like that.
What is it
and
like?
What
is it like?
Psychological warfare that
No, आराम से बोलिए यहाँ आगे
you are
बढ़ते
carrying
हैं.
psychological. I am not as matured as you because you are very old age, ma'am. So I have got my blood. You say that boys are very difficult to handle. So I am also.
So
boy.
you are also. That's why I'm listening to you.
I am also boy. So
That's why I'm listening to you.
So ma'am, my point is.
That is why, since you are so young, you are not taking the holistic
No, I am.
You know, you are taking one point here, one point there, and then trying to make a case. I am not against you. You are as good my son as anyone else. And it is only my dream that you could also understand
Definitely, my
the
dream is
importance of human
But
rights.
last time, what you said that general statement that he said that all militants. All those who stand with militant and paint the stone. It's a very, you are making.
But okay, if you say it's
Why
a
did you
felony,
tell the state?
does
3 days back.
No, listen to me. Listen to me, does it mean then, you made a point.
You may answer.
You are my as dear son as all those boys who go for whom I weep that they should not go. I said very clearly. But then you are reducing, it has been the problem since they have been fighting that I said different narratives. You are making the fight between Pandits and Muslims, which is not. It has been the consistent effort of the establishment to present Kashmir issue as a problem between Hindus and Muslims. It's a political problem. It's a question of the political identity of Kashmir. It's a question of the political rights of Kashmir. And Pandits, if they are 1.5, they also have a right, they will also be asked. And then I said, since Indian state came into being on the basis of the majority vote, same has to happen according to democratic principles Kashmir. But whereas today, we are told, since this 1 point does not want to part with India, and therefore you have to listen to them only. No, please listen.
Professor Nana. Picture of what happening in Kashmir from a Kashmirian perspective, a Kashmiri who can give a perspective which is quite different from the dominant narrative which is being presented by some of the media also. And what we can get from this lecture that we are research scholar, we can deconstruct our dominant narrative and we can reach to a much more truthful way of the way that man has said that she doesn't want anybody to go for violence or to do anything. So she does believe in democratic values and a democratic principle, and also she has said that there are something promises which have not been delivered to the people of Kashmir, and Kashmiri people have become a victim of betrayal by the Indian state also, by the international community also, and also by we young scholars who can make a narrative. Thanks a lot, ma'am, and also thanks to